Snakes are fascinating creatures that have captured the imaginations of people around the world for centuries. Here are some interesting facts about snakes that kids and adults alike will love. If you enjoy this video about snakes, please like, share, and subscribe. This helps us to continue making videos like this for everyone. Snakes are reptiles, which means they are cold-blooded, have scaly skin, and lay eggs. There are over 3,000 species of snakes worldwide. They range in size from the tiny thread snake to the massive anaconda. Snakes can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Snakes have flexible jaws that allow them to swallow prey much larger than their heads. Snakes use their tongues to smell. They flick their tongues in and out to collect scent particles. They then bring them back to a special organ in their mouth called the Jacobson's organ. Snakes shed their skin several times a year to allow for growth. This process is called molting. Some snakes are venomous, which means they produce toxins that can harm or kill their prey. However, most snakes are not venomous and kill their prey by constriction. Snakes are carnivores, which means they eat meat. Their diet consists mainly of rodents, birds, and other small animals. Snakes can go for long periods without food. Some species can survive for up to a year without eating. Snakes are known for their ability to unhinge their jaws, allowing them to swallow prey much larger than their heads. Snakes are excellent swimmers and can also climb trees and other structures. Snakes are covered in scales, which help protect their bodies and reduce friction as they move. Snakes have a unique way of moving called sidewinding. This allows them to move quickly over sandy or slippery surfaces. Snakes have a specialized sense organ called the pit organ. It allows them to detect infrared radiation, helping them locate warm-blooded prey in the dark. Snakes are known for their ability to sense vibrations in the ground. This sense helps them detect approaching predators or prey. Some snakes, like the rattlesnake, have a rattle on their tail that they use to warn potential threats. Snakes have a unique way of reproducing. Most snakes lay eggs, while some give birth to live young. Snakes are often misunderstood and feared. They play an important role in controlling rodent populations and maintaining the balance of ecosystems. Snakes are featured in mythology, folklore, and art from cultures around the world, often symbolizing both good and evil. Snakes have a unique way of defending themselves. Some species flatten their bodies and puff up to appear larger, while others release a foul-smelling musk. Snakes have a unique way of communicating. They use a variety of sounds, body movements, and postures to convey messages to other snakes. In cold climates, some snakes hibernate underground to survive the winter. Snakes have a highly acidic stomach that allows them to break down bones and other tough parts of their prey. Snakes do not have a diaphragm like mammals do, so they rely on muscles in their ribs and belly to help them breathe. Snakes do not have eyelids, so they cannot close their eyes. Instead, they enter a state of rest where they are still aware of their surroundings. Some species of snakes will coil around their eggs to keep them warm and safe until they hatch. Some species of snakes will stay with their eggs until they hatch, while others will leave their young to fend for themselves. Snakes have a special way of adapting to their environment. Some species have evolved to blend in with their surroundings, making them difficult to spot. Snakes have a unique way of moving. They use a combination of muscles and scales to push themselves forward in a motion called rectilinear locomotion. Most snakes can survive in extreme conditions. Some species can slow down their metabolism to conserve energy during times of food scarcity. Snakes have a unique way of shedding their skin. They will rub against rough surfaces to help loosen their old skin, then crawl out of it in one piece. Some species of snakes can reproduce asexually through a process called parthenogenesis. Some species of snakes will mimic the appearance or behavior of more dangerous animals to deter predators. Snakes are often found in a wide range of habitats, from deserts to rainforests to urban areas. They have been around for millions of years and have adapted to a wide range of environments and conditions. Snakes are truly remarkable creatures with a wide range of adaptations and behaviors that make them fascinating to study and learn about. Whether you're interested in their hunting techniques, reproductive strategies, or unique physical features, there's always something new and exciting to discover about snakes. If you enjoyed this video about snakes, please like, share, and subscribe. This helps us to continue making videos like this for everyone.